So hi there, welcome to lesson 7. It's quite a short lesson but very important, and uh, I cannot overemphasize the importance of this. So this is about data ethics, how you manage data, whether it's routine data or survey data, how you manage it ethically. So I want to start with this slide here. Have you ever received an email like this or a text message with a similar message where they ask you to download a file, update your login information? You know, very interesting kind of email. By now, you should have known if you are very current in the financial space, that this is scam mail. And what they want to do is they want to steal your password, have access to probably your banking details or sensitive information that you have, which is interesting because they're using, as you will soon see, a database to get more databases, you know. So they're trying to get into your system, get information from you, which is very sensitive, which is very personal, and could be very dangerous. But the question we always ask when we get such emails or texts is, how did they get our numbers? And basically it comes from some kind of database. That's true. They didn't just sit down and just wave a magic wand. So there is a place where your database is sitting down, and that's why every time you register for a service or anything, you 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 get into some kind of database. And that's why they go hunting for it, because they use it to bombard people with emails that are fraudulent in nature, so that they can use it for all their schemes. So it's very important that these emails address and phone numbers and personal details don't get in the wrong hands. And it's not just emails and phone numbers and names. Many things are really happening right now that they're just trying to get information from people. So when you have a database in your hand, it could be agriculture, it could be health, someone's personal health information. It should be very private, being broadcast on social media. you know it's very, very embarrassing. So our goal is to make sure that under our watch, data is protected, especially personal information. These are the ethics of research, but it's also the ethics of just basic data management. Make sure you keep them safe. Three principles will guide and keep you within range. Personal data, and personal data is varied. It could be health, it could be information about how people eat or feed at home, or when they arrive a place or leave a place. It requires consent as much as possible. Now, routine data really doesn't give that, but even at that level, you still make sure you keep data from reaching the wrong hands. And then, in an event where it happens, you lose a laptop, you lose something, we still keep data safe in a way that it doesn't get into the wrong hands. So, these are three very important principles that should guide anything. There are rules, and it may vary from organization to organization, from client to client, but please, it is very important that you put these three principles at the back of your mind anytime you are managing any form of data from any kind of industry. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in lesson 8, where I talk deeper about the skill sets that is required for data management. Hopefully, we'll be able to add more to the conversation there. So, see you in the next video, lesson 8, where I talk about the skill sets for a data manager. Thank you.